The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. Lower the glove box. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Remove the filter from the tray. Install your new AQ1262 filter with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Insert the filter trays into the housing. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the stoppers. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.